Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change Facebook name before 60 days. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, I'm gonna go ahead open up my Facebook app first. Then I'm gonna go over here at the menu, and then I'm gonna go ahead tap on this settings icon, tap on account center, tap on profile, and now tap on your Facebook profile. Now you will have this option of name. If you can change your name from over here, go ahead, do so. But if you cannot change, then you're gonna be going back, right? So before changing, make sure you already have confirmed what you want to change. But if mistakenly you have changed your name wrongfully, then all you gotta do is now go back to your menu and go and help and support, and gotta go to the report a problem. When you want it to change of your name, go ahead, take a screenshot of the wrongly added name, and then you're going to tap on report problem, and then you're going to simply go include complete logs and diagnostic in your report if you want, or tap on to include. Now it has taken a screenshot already, but we're going to go back and we can take a screenshot while shaking the app so it can directly go to the report section. Type in that I would like to change my name before 60 days because I have added a non-illegal name or a wrong name which I need to correct. And then tap on done, tap on take screenshot, and you can take screenshot of your problem, and then you can simply send the report by tapping on the send. So that is basically how you will be able to fix it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.